What's up, guys? Welcome back, ADA family. Let's talk some Cardano. Happy 4th of July for those of you that are in the States. I did a live stream earlier. We talked some Cardano, but let's get back into it. Let's talk about Cardano declining after reaching that local top there on the chart. So let's get into some of the intraday numbers. And before we do, though, make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Smash that like button, and let's get into it, okay? And as always, though, remember, not financial advice. That's always important to do. But it will pull up the Cardano chart. You can see the crypto bubbles. The overall market is fairly red across the board. Here we are with the 10th ranked crypto and market cap. Excuse me. Down 8% on the day, so kind of further reiterating that it has been a red month for Cardano, down 24%. And these are levels where, we really need to talk about it. This is where I might start dollar cost averaging back into ADA. I am long on ADA. Pretty much some of the majority of my crypto holdings are in Cardano, so what better not to do than lower my cost basis by getting into some ADA around this 32 cents level. So that's kind of where I'm at with everything crypto within ADA. I do want to share with you guys kind of what's happening, where we did have a little bit of a bullish trading session on July 4th, where we saw the age consume metric rising to 35-day highs. That is where a lot of dormant tokens have begun to change hands. I think that is something where they've been trading hands at a selling point that people have been selling. That's why we've seen a decline in the altcoin's price after that local top has been reached. Now, we're seeing a lot of long-term holders kind of jumping ship. $433 million, right? That is where, that is the amount of liquidations that we saw being moved, and that's why we saw a spike in the age consume metric, all right? But also, this is something that offers a little bit of the insight into the long-term asset holders' perspective. We've seen this where this is kind of noteworthy because it does indicate a change in the market trend. We are shifting to a more bearish environment. We see that coupled with what went on with Mt. Gox today and those Bitcoin liquidations. But as we currently record, like I said, we're about 32 cents, so down almost 20% in the last 24 hours. So that is just crazy, crazy stuff. So we have seen the trading volume increase as it's common sense. That is something where it's increasing because people are selling. So we have seen a little bit of a divergence between the price and trading volume. That kind of hints at a further decline. But as a price prediction, the current downtrend is strong. This is something where you look for the a rune downline is 100%. That is confirming the strength of its downtrend. And that is something where when we close close to 100%, that is when the downtrend is strong and is most recently reached, as we've seen a recent low being reached here on the chart. So if we continue this bearish momentum, we could see Cardano dip even below 30 cents. I think that there will be a little bit of a support wall right there at that 30 cents mark, but it's going to be important to continue to monitor this. But if we do see a little bit of a rebound, I do think Cardano would get back up to about 34, 35 cents here on the chart. So nothing crazy to report. It's been kind of quiet, but yes, there are not always good days in crypto. There are bad days. This is not intended to be FUD. I just kind of wanted to share with you guys some of the numbers, what Cardano is doing on the charts, why we're seeing these bearish downtrends, and kind of how I feel about it. So hope you guys all found some content in this video relevant. If you did, make sure you guys all consider subscribing on your way out. I really appreciate you guys. If you smash that like button as well, that'd be awesome. And feel free to leave a comment what you guys are feeling on this Friday as we get into the weekend, the holiday weekend for those of you that are in the United States. As usually and historically, it's always been kind of a red weekend where we do see some selling that goes on historically around the 4th of July holiday. So appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll have another video out tomorrow. I will be away from the office, hanging out with some family and friends for the holidays. So, but we will have content Saturday, Sunday, as always, crypto content every single day right here on the channel. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.